Yeah, yeah. Stay solid. Stay solid. Stay solid.
Attention is the most valuable resource you possess. Not time, not money, not energy. Because where your attention goes, your time follows. Where your time goes, your life begins to form. There's a war taking place. Most are participating in it unconsciously.
Move how you move. Just move. See what it is.
This war is not physical. It is cognitive. It is psychological. It operates through screens, notifications, algorithms, entertainment systems, emotional stimulation. Every major system is competing for one thing, your attention.
Steps don't rush it, land where land. Hands don't reach it, come where stand.
Attention is not passive observation. It is an active force. What you consistently give attention to expands in your awareness, gains perceived importance, influences your belief, shapes your behavior. Attention directs identity over time. Most modern platforms are not free. They operate on an attention economy. Your attention is measured, analyzed, sold. The longer you remain engaged, the more valuable you become. This creates a system optimized not for truth, but for retention.
See what it is, what it is, what it is. Felt what it gives.
Attention is captured through engineered mechanisms, dopamine feedback loops, infinite scrolling, algorithmic personalization, emotional triggers, short-form stimulation cycles.
No extra moves, no wasted breath. Everything clear when the noise get low. That's when you really see how it go. Patterns repeat, but you see them.
Constant attention shifting produces fragmentation. When focus is fragmented, depth of thought decreases, memory retention weakens, cognitive endurance declines, discipline becomes unstable. A fragmented mind cannot sustain meaningful creation.
Already there, what you looking for?
The greatest loss is not immediate, it's cumulative. Lost hours become lost days. Lost days become lost years. Not through failure, but through misdirected attention. They lack uninterrupted focus.
Everything flow when you let it be. That's how I look when it's meant to be.
Reclaiming attention requires intention. This includes reducing unnecessary input, structuring focused work periods, limiting reactive consumption, creating before consuming, practicing stillness without stimulation.
Just move how you move. Just move.
When controlled, attention becomes leverage. It allows accelerated learning, deep work, pattern recognition, strategic execution. Those who direct attention build. Those who do not are directed. Where is your attention going daily? What is it reinforcing? What is it weakening? What is it building? Attention is not neutral, it is directional.
Don't fuss. Don't fuss.